Milwaukee recently came out with some USB lasers. So today we're going to I got a couple of them right here. I got two different options, and we're going to go over what you get in each one of these boxes. In this box, we have Milwaukee's USB 3-point laser, and in this one we have Milwaukee's crosshair laser, which I don't understand really why they are in different size boxes, and I think they're pretty much the same size. So let's open up let's start with the 3-point one first and just kind of open it up and see what we have. Okay, I would have really liked to see this happen. This is my number one thing, is like, why did you not do this? I don't understand why they did not make this in like a pack out unit for the laser. That would have been super awesome. That's like my biggest complaint on all of Milwaukee's new lasers, is they should have made them with a pack out bin for a storage case. That's my only complaint. Okay, moving on. All right, now we're gonna open up this 3-point laser and see what this thing has, after I went on a little tangent about it should have been a pack out case. But I do like the cases that they come in. They are pretty solid. All right, so we open this up and you will get the laser itself, and then it comes with a USB battery. I am really liking these USBs. Their battery systems are really nice. I like them in my heated Milwaukee shirt, and I have them for a couple other of my Milwaukee devices that I use. So you'll get one battery, and you get the charger adapter and Milwaukee's awesome braided USB cord. I really like their cords. And then you'll get your instruction manual with all this stuff, and that's pretty much it. What you get with this 3-point laser. You get the stand, get a nice little mounting bracket to where you can mount the laser. 1/4-20, a slide bracket, doesn't swivel because it doesn't need to swivel. We're going to do another video and we're going to go over these lasers a little bit more in depth, because I just got them, and so I really need to play around with them a little bit more. But I just wanted to show you what you get with these lasers if you are looking to buy one. Now I just got to get this back in the case. Okay, put this back in the case just like that. It does have nice little spots in this case to where everything goes. Now let's take a look and see what you get with the Milwaukee USB crosshair laser. These lasers are green, they're not red, the laser itself. So just thought you know. Okay, so this is a really nice case, which if you look at it, like, why didn't we get a case about that size? Or actually, they should have just been all in this case. They could have saved a lot on production probably, or like I said, put them in the pack. Okay, but on here you get a nice little standing plate that you can just pretty much, it's got little rubber booties on the bottom so it doesn't move around. All right, you get your USB cord, nice braided USB cord with the Milwaukee plug for charging. Cool. All right, so now we have the laser, and I already put the battery in. This battery cap right here, and then they give you the USB 3.0. That one was a 3.0 too. You get 3.0s in all of them. So this is the one that I would probably use the most. It does have a swivel base plate. These are magnets on the back. Really nice. Get your 1/4-20 so you can mount it to a tripod. So we're going to get into like run times and everything like that in the next video. Comment below if you have any questions. We're going to definitely, like I said, do another video, and we're going to test these out and see how good these laser levels are. Just wanted to unbox these and show you what you get. That's going to wrap it up. I'm Philip Bridges, and I will see you guys on the next one.